James Akers here, the tie guy. Today's video is all about Zegna, Untitled Zegna. It's the name brand that one of the top name brands in the world that half the people have no idea or know anything about. My dog is named Zegna. It's spelled Z-E-G-N-A, but it's pronounced Zegna. Untitled Zegna, founded the company a long time ago, and they basically own the luxury wool market. So most luxury brands buy their wool from Zegna or through Zegna. Matter of fact, a lot of the brands you would recognize, I'm not going to mention their names here, but a lot of huge name brands you would recognize, their clothes are actually made by Zegna. Zegna makes their clothes for them, but puts their, that company's label on it. So just a great quality. It's the same level as any other luxury brand out there. But I just really like their stuff, and I think they make a great quality product. I'm not here pushing Zegna. Zegna pays me nothing at all. I just really like their stuff. So today we're in a Zegna shirt, Zegna suit, and a Zegna tie. Beautiful tie. So let's talk about the tie here. It is a mustard yellow with some geometric patterns. It's got it's got circles, brown circles with some design, with a lighter yellow, with a blue flower, with a pinkish red center. That's what this tie looks like. My Instagram will have close-ups of this. As far as the review goes, it's a not super thick, it's a pretty thin tie. Nice wide tie, almost a traditional size, and lays perfect. The silk, Zegna silk is just always nice and smooth. It's smooth, it's soft. What can I say? It's a Zegna. It's good quality. Let's tie it up, see how it comes together here. Because it's a not super thick tie, as far as the depth this way, but it's wide this way, I have to take that into account when I find my spot. So I think it's probably going to be right around this range here. What I mean by spot is I'm trying to find how much slack do I need on this tie to tie a perfect full Windsor knot and have the tip of the tie be somewhere in between my belt buckle. That's what I'm looking for here. So let's see how this comes together. We take the long part of the tie over top. We come underneath, up, and through. Then we come around behind, up, over, down, and through. Now we call this checkpoint. We want to make sure that our tie is coming together really, really nicely here. We come around the front, up behind, up over and through, and then we're going to push it down through this little pocket we just created here. We're going to hold the top of the pocket, and we're going to push down through, and we're going to adjust here accordingly. We're going to hold the knot and pull on the long part of the tie to tighten the knot up. We're going to make sure that, and then we're going to bring it up to the top. We want the tip of the tie, this part of the tie right here, to come between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. So let's look and see how that's coming together. Looks like my son's cat, Zelda, has decided to come and check out my suits, and I don't let her in here because, see, hi to Zelda. This is Zelda. That's my son's cat. I don't like her in here in my suits because she gets cat hair on them. So my dog and cat, or my son's cat and my dog Zegna, they're not allowed in my closet. So my closet door stays shut. But when I'm doing the video, obviously they could sneak in here. That's what she was trying to do. Okay, the tip of the tie should come between the top and the bottom belt buckle. It's about halfway. It's absolutely perfect. Let's bring the color down. I try to do these videos in one take, so you got to deal with my animals and everything else. So hopefully you get a kick out of it and you don't turn me off because of that. So let's come in and tighten everything up. We don't want much of a gap here, so we're going to tighten this tie up and pull it up towards the top. To pull the tie up, you pull on the short part of the tie, or the thinner part of the tie, and hold the knot, and that brings your knot up. What you're doing is you're pulling the knot through by pulling on this part of the tie. And then to tighten the knot, of course, you hold the knot and pull on the long part of the tie, but it's nice tie. Look how beautiful that triangle is. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to tuck the back end through the keeper here and make sure we're perfectly symmetrical. Now the look is going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen. I'm going to go through it with you right now, though. Today we're wearing a navy blue Untitled Zegna suit. This is a beautiful suit. It's got like some window pane texture, kind of underlying. Really like this suit. It's a wool suit with a silk blend. I think it's 95% wool, 5% silk, or something along that line. Has just a beautiful feel to it. Absolutely love it. My guy Andre down at Neiman Marcus in Charlotte hooked me up. If you guys need anything, reach out to him. You'll find him on my Instagram. He's incredible. Best stylist I've ever worked with in my life. I literally text him, say, hey, I need this, and he'll have it shipped right to my house within 1 to 2 days. Just incredible. I really like working with him, but he hooked me up with the suit. So, and the shirt, actually, and the belt and the shoes. So thanks, Andre. I'm looking good because of you, brother. Navy blue suit. We have on like a light pink, almost white Untitled Zegna shirt. We have a yellow Untitled Zegna tie with some other colors mixed in. We're wearing a brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a silver belt buckle. We're pairing that today with a beautiful pair of chocolate brown Oxfords by Bally, the shoe company Bally. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of the belt and shoes, close-ups of the tie so you can see all the geometric patterns, close-ups of the knot of the tie, some selfies of me posing with the outfit on, as well as I staged the whole outfit right here on my wall with a little table so you can see everything up close and personal. So check out my Instagram. If you like my videos, please click subscribe and like. But now I am ready for work.